students, we are going to learn advanced Java programming subject in this academic year. Before start of this subject, we will take revision of installation of JDK and its configuration. So first question is how to install JDK in the operating system. First of all, we will require JDK executable file. That file will be available with this link, that is oracle.com in Java Technologies Java, and the version is 8. So when we go to this link, we will found this JDK 8th version, which is available for different platform, that is Linux, Solaris, Mac and Windows. So we can see here 2 executable files are available for download. The first one is for 86, means what, it is for 32-bit operating system, and second one, that is a 64, means what, it is available for 64-bit operating system. So according to your Windows operating system, you can download these versions. This one is for 32-bit operating system. This one is for 64-bit operating system. So when you download these files will look like this: i586 and x64. This is for 64-bit operating system. So when we install these files, this executable file, this will be installed in a C drive, program files, Java folder. Then we can see here 2 folders are available, that is JDK and JRE. JDK is nothing but Java Development Kit, and this JRE is nothing but the Java runtime environment is available. This JDK folder contains bin folder, and bin folder contains the JDK tools. JDK tools are nothing but Java, Java C, Java P, Java H and Java Doc. So these tools are available with C:, program files, Java, JDK and bin. Now the second step is what? You have to configure path variable with this URL, that is a C:, program files, Java, JDK and bin. Now why to configure this path variable? Because your operating system will know the JDK tools are available with this location, that is a C:, program files, Java and JDK. Now how to configure this path variable? Go to properties of my computer, then select advanced system setting, environment variable. Now here you will see new, edit and delete. Use new, write name of variable, that is a path. Now variable value, just go to C:, program files, Java, JDK and bin. Copy this location, Control C. Now I will paste this value into the variable value. Okay. Now check whether your JDK is configured or not. Go to command prompt, then type here Java C. If you see this one, this output means what, the Java environment is set up, and now you can proceed for your programming